Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to claim your Instagram on Pinterest. And for this we go to Pinterest and then we click on saved right in the bottom. Then from here we go to claimed accounts and from here we click on claim. Right now he is loading our Instagram and right now we accept the cookies and we need to log in. Alright, we are now logging in. It costs you maybe a few seconds, but after that you can continue the claiming on Instagram. Like now, I tap on not now and right now we are here on Instagram. Then we do allow and right now we are here back on Pinterest and then we can do continue with email. Now fill in your email address and right now if I tap on that you see that we just claimed our Instagram. So right now I will make a screenshot of this and right now if you do done you see that our Instagram got claimed here and we can unclaim it by tapping on that. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.